TapClicks Marketing Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. If you're considering a marketing automation tool, let's dive into TapClicks and explore its features, usability, and who it's best suited for. TapClicks is an all-in-one marketing operations platform designed for agencies, media companies, and enterprises looking to streamline their marketing workflows. Its standout feature is its ability to unify data from over 250 integrations, including Google Ads, Facebook, HubSpot, and Salesforce, making reporting and analytics seamless. The drag-and-drop dashboard makes it easy to customize reports, visualize campaign performance, and share insights with clients or teams in real time. What sets TapClicks apart is its Tap Workflow feature, which automates repetitive tasks like campaign setup and reporting. For teams managing multiple campaigns, this saves hours of manual work. The Smart Connector functionality also lets you integrate additional data sources without requiring technical expertise, ensuring all your insights are consolidated in one place. The platform excels in analytics and reporting, offering pre-built templates and custom options that cater to marketing professionals with varying skill levels. Whether you need quick insights or detailed deep dives into campaign performance, TapClicks has you covered. Its ability to schedule automated reports reduces the hassle of manually compiling data. Who is TapClicks for? If you're an agency juggling numerous client campaigns or a business running cross-channel marketing, TapClicks is tailored to fit your needs. It's ideal for professionals who need robust reporting, scalability, and time-saving workflows. However, if you're a small business with minimal marketing complexity, the advanced features might be more than you need. From my experience, TapClicks is intuitive, but onboarding can take time due to the depth of its functionality. However, their support team and extensive knowledge base are helpful in easing the learning curve. Pricing is tiered, so you'll want to ensure it aligns with your budget and the scope of your campaigns. In summary, TapClicks is a powerful marketing automation tool built for professionals managing large-scale campaigns. It's not just about streamlining workflows, it's about empowering teams with actionable insights. If you're serious about scaling your marketing efforts while saving time, TapClicks is worth exploring.